you how to connect two waves without tracing, okay? So this is focusing on connecting waves without tracing. Okay, so I'm going to start with just some basic stuff. So I'll start from this position here. And how you get into this position doesn't really matter whether you're tutting and you get into it, or whether you're strutting, or if you're just setting it up and you end up in this position here, okay? So from this position, you can connect two waves by using your elbow to send the wave. And connecting is just where two waves intersect. So if you were to wave to here, boom, use your elbow, and now you can send the wave to the other arm like that. There's different ways you can do this, okay? From this position, you could just send the wave to the other arm just like that, or you can do it like this too. If you were to go sideways or straight down, you don't have to go just like that, okay? You can go just like this, which is the sideways version, or you can go boom, straight down like that, okay? And from this same position here, that gives you options to even turn it just like that, okay? And even you can go up and down like this too, alright? Or you could even switch just like that, okay? So again, similar position, but now come across a bit more of your elbows like this, alright? So now you got this option here. Alright? So you can do that. And from these positions here, you can also turn it. You can use your boxes, and you can wave in between all these positions here. This also gives you the options to go into more liquid style. From there you can go into liquid with it. Alright. So I'll show you another thing from this position here, alright? Or maybe from this position. If you were to wave down to here, now you can use your elbows like this. Okay, which is sending the wave from that one arm to the other arm. Boom, boom. Just like that. Alright? And the same thing from these positions. If you were to do this type of wave, boom, now you can knock the elbow. And the elbow can allow you to either do this, boom, you can switch arms like that, or you could now trace to this arm like here, boom, just like that, okay? There's some basic options you can do from there, alright? And same principle goes for this position. You could be here, you could be here, you could be here, just by changing the perspective of it. You know, like even like this, alright? So say you're like that. Okay, now you're even like this position. And from these positions you've got options of like boom, boom, and you can continue the waves like all around your body, okay? So that's the first basic position, or I should say concept, because you can do a lot of moves from there, but these positions here kind of allow you to be creative with the waves, alright? So play around with that. Alright, the next position I'll show you for connecting wave is, it's like an X position here, okay? An X, or it can also be done down here, X. So connecting wave is where 2 points kind of intersect without necessarily tracing. So if you were to wave here, now because the two arms are crossed, they intersect. Just like that. And that works the same as down here too. Alright. And using that same principle with the crossing arms, you could be doing it like this. Like that. Or you could have either side, like that. Or you could have your hands kind of facing inwards, both inwards like that. And then from here you can also throw the wave back up. Like so. And what's good from those positions is once you wave to here, you can also come back up again. And then kind of keep doing this motion here. And you can wave with that. Alright. So those positions are really cool. You can do some pretty awesome stuff from there. Another way is just simple, using continuous motion again with your body, like I said, with your chest, shoulders, knees and stuff like that, your hips, and changing direction, all that type of thing, to connect one wave to another, alright? So, I'll show you a quick little routine thingy. If you were to just, it's an example, okay? So, if you were to just wave to your shoulder, now you send the wave from your shoulder to your chest, roll down the body, start a new wave, come back up again, boom, turn, down the body, boom, turn again, bring the wave back up, alright, and now from here you can do chest roll, down, wave up, shoulder, shoulder, start a new wave, boom, arm wave down to here, start your new wave, boom, new wave, come back with it, go down with it, move that wave around, changing some perspective here with the waves, turning, boom, 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 boom. Now some negative space. Trace the wave back up. And you know, using your full body to connect the wave just like that, okay? And you can be doing that with anything at all, whether it's waving down to the knees, alright? Swapping knees, coming back up into your boogaloo. Alright? Or whether it's like that. Just simply doing different waves, you know, because even if you were to wave to your legs, okay, I haven't really showed you much about leg waves, but like, you know, your legs kind of control where the wave's going. Boom, boom, kick, kick. Because you're going to kick there, You may have seen people do this, where they use their leg to kind of send the wave back up, just like that, okay? So where your legs going also controls the wave, alright? Because you can do like anything with your leg, alright? And yeah, that's just a little basic stuff. There's a lot more you can do, but for now, that's just an example, and I don't want to make the video too long, so I'll just end it here. Hope that helps.